Sure. Scheme. It's forever in thought. Nouvelle série. Ça.
MK.
Nouvelle série, c'est ça. In a capitol, if I paint in a picture perfect. Since the beat is my canvas, I use the mic as my brush. The words is my pain whenever I'm sketching. Now hope you know this one my ass conveying. It's midnight, I'm supposed to be resting, but I'm busy working. Thinking about my past, I had a cut off for my exes. And thinking about my future, really got the niggas stressing. But I will lie, dog, I've been patient. I will lie, Lord, I've been praying on a daily basis. Walk on my craft, plus I need it and I'm elevated. Been running a marathon, never racing. I'm on the field, Jesse No.7, call me David. This for the times that they thought that we never make it. Yeah, this for the times they thought I ain't got the method, but I figured out the whole equation. Now it's the annihilation, industry reparation. Rappers they devastated, it's all written on their faces. Steps calculated, do the math, plus I had numbers, don't lie, that's the saying. Once it gets it, but you gotta pray to God and not say it. Everything has got its time, all you need is patience. But I give you, I'm not the body, really sucks waiting. Yeah, I know it sucks waiting. Plus the times you already did like motivation, but take this as inspiration. Yeah. Sure. And talk. Nouvelle série. Issa. And sure. Scheme. Sure. Ish.
MK.
Na first day mangivuka ekuseni ngicabanga impilo yami namaphupho wami bese ngiyathandaza ngoba impilo yakho lula nyana plus akekho omunye ozongithandazela njengami and I promise akekho omunye ozongenzela ngaphandle kwami plus isekho zabasekho abazali bami. See this for the times bemfisa ngathi mvele ngaphumelela nezinto zami, but now I'm in the car. Nouvelle série, c'est ça. It took me time to get me where I make it still bad. Why most of these kids ba ekta ka reggae bonya. They busy using big words maraba sa talo hard. Banali tendency ya wite ba za hora rentwan. You nigga beat low key vele it's fun. It's so fighting over you play with nothing new. You're not gonna vele get spot. Vele get spot.